Hello everyone, welcome back to a Speaking-lish podcast. Today let's talk about adjectives, ed and ing endings. Let's start. Words that describe or modify nouns and add a description to the sentence are called adjectives. Remember, adjectives are different than verbs. We use ed in adjectives to talk about how someone is feeling. Very important. For example, the children got bored because they were watching an awful movie. So what happened? They got bored. Here we're talking about the feelings of the children. Very good. Let's see more examples. Most runners were exhausted. Very good. Another example. The woman was tired because she worked a lot yesterday. Very good. Another one. The girl was frightened because she was watching a horror movie. Very good. Excellent. Let's continue. Now, we use ing in adjectives to talk about how is a person, a situation, or thing. For example, the movie is boring because I wanted to watch a different movie. Here we are talking about a movie, right? Not about the feelings of someone. Very good. Let's continue with more examples. A marathon is exhausting because you have to run lots of kilometers. Very good. Ironing is very tiring because you have to iron lots of clothes. Okay, let's continue. This monster is frightening. Just look at him. Excellent. Now let's finish with a simple exercise. Number 1. Yoga is very, let's see the options, relaxing or relaxed. What do you think? Okay, yoga is very relaxing. Yes, very good. Number 2. I am exciting or excited to meet her. What do you think it is? I am excited to meet her because we're talking about the feelings of someone. Very good. Number 3. That trip was very interesting or interested. The trip, we're talking about a situation. That trip was very interesting. Very good. Number 4. Phrasal verbs are frustrating or frustrated. What do you think the answer is? Phrasal verbs are frustrating because they are a lot. Okay, number 5. They were tiring or they were tired after the match. Okay, let's see the answer. They were tired after the match because we're talking about they, a group of people. Very good. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much. Please leave a like and a comment to this video, subscribe to Speak English podcast, and see you next time.